Hey there, this video is a little bit different than the normal. Welcome back to the channel for a little more real talk on real estate, and today it's a little more real than normal. No makeup, a whole lot of sweat, and I am literally just off the U-Haul truck. So let me tell you a story about one of my most recent clients, and they are so awesome. I just love them to pieces. And we have been through kind of a lot together. We have already purchased their new home, and we are in the process of selling their home that they've been in for over 25 years. And as you might imagine, when you've been in a home for 25 years, there's a lot of stuff, and there's a lot of, letting go, getting out, like decluttering, getting rid of, taking care of, and then once all that stuff is gone, there's some repairs that have to be done so that you can get top dollar. So my clients did a wonderful job of going through our checklist. As a consultant, I go over, we walk through everything. We discuss what is going to be like the top dollar things that they can do to get the most money for their return on investment. And so they did a great job with that. After they were all finished, myself and my team, we went in and we finished up for them, because that's just what we do. This is not something that we charge them for. This is not something extra. This is just how we do. So we went in, and in the main areas of the home, we painted the trim. We made sure that things were open and glowing. We staged the property so that it showed in its best light and that you could really see the room's functionality. And this is a home that's in a starter neighborhood, in a starter price point. But we knew, because we wanted this to sell very quickly and we wanted it to be over asking, it was important to stage the home. So that's what we did. So in the first weekend, so exciting, we had 87 showings plus an open house. So the 87 showings does not include the open house, which was also busy. So we had 13 offers. We went under contract that weekend. The first contract actually fell through. So this is real talk on real estate. We're not fluffing here. First contract fell through. The second contract that we're under, the buyer had an inspection. As an older home, there are several things that came up on the inspection report. The buyer wanted us to cut down 3 trees and give them $9,000. We said, no, thank you. But that's not where it ended, because I am a professional and I know about remodeling. I know about repair work. I know how this works. I know what's important to both buyers and sellers. So I managed to go through the entire list with the buyer's agent, who is a brand new agent, by the way, who doesn't really understand repair work. For example, in the report, a window lock was broken. He wanted an entirely new window. Well, that's not appropriate. It's a $10 fix to replace a lock on a window. It's a $300 to $400 fix to replace a window. That's a big difference. That's where he thought $9,000, and I thought, a couple of hundred? Anyway, I was able to negotiate with the buyer's agent and the seller a list of appropriate fixes that could be done. My seller is paying less than $500 in repair work that he is not having to do himself. He is choosing to do one project himself. That's pretty simple. And then myself and my team are going to be taking care of at no cost to my seller. A list of about 5 things that are really simple and pretty easy because we're handy like that. The bottom line is, over the course of this contract, we're $10,000 over asking price, and we've just saved the seller nearly $9,000 in the ask on the inspection report. And this is all because of things that we're able to do as professionals that have not only been investors and remodelers and landlords, as well as real estate agents. So it's kind of important when you're thinking about selling your home that you've lived in for a long time. Are you really dealing with the most qualified person for your home? A slick salesman might not always be able to protect your bottom line because they're wanting to sub out every single little detail. Did you know that a light switch cover can come up in an inspection report that will cost you 25 cents to replace yourself? But if that's a negotiation piece by the buyer's agent, how much are they charging for that? What's in their mind? Do you have someone that's knowledgeable enough about the way that a home works and how things can be repaired to actually save you those dollars and cents? I hope this information is helpful for you, and if you need a consultation on your home, please give me a ring at 678-267-9861. If you found this information useful, please give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time for a little more real talk on real estate.